Hello everyone, I'm back and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. So today we'll be reacting to another Moira cover song entitled Moon River, originally sung by Audrey Hepburn. The fuck. Anyways, without any further ado, let's go and watch the video. 1, 2, 3, play. Wow, nice rendition of Moon River. Her voice is like a lullaby and if I am there watching her live, maybe I already fell asleep because her voice is very soft, legit, original, and heartwarming, fantastic, wonderful. Everything is on point and everything is great. Yeah, Moira De La Torre delivered the song with compassion. She's singing from her heart, and she's singing from her heart like that. And yeah, I think I'll be making a lot of reaction videos to her songs. Anyways, if you have any more videos of Moira De La Torre you want me to react, please drop the link down below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you are not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay? Thank you so much for the song, Moira. Bye.